Hello everyone. In this video, we will know about the rules of subject-verb agreement. So, let's start. We often use to write sentences which contain a subject and verb. The subject could be a noun, a proper noun, or an abstract noun. The basic rule of subject-verb agreement is when the subject is in singular form, the verb must be in singular form, and when the subject is in plural form, the verb must be in plural form. For example, I am in the classroom. The family has purchased a new house. They are in the classroom and all the children have performed well. In sentences 1 and 2, the verbs are in singular form and their subjects are in singular form. Similarly, in sentences 3 and 4, the verbs are in plural form as their subjects are in plural form. When two or more singular subjects are joined together, plural verb is used. For example, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta are going to the market. Delhi and Mumbai are the most polluted cities of India. Here, Delhi and Mumbai is singular nouns joined by and make a plural subject, so they take a plural verb. When two subjects together express one idea, singular verb is used. Or when two nouns joined with and or suggesting one idea take a singular verb. Like bread and butter is children's favorite meal. Words such as audience, congregation, crowd, group and family take a singular or plural verb depending upon the sentence, but it is always safe to use a plural verb with these nouns. For example, the family are our strongest support. Everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody and anyone take a singular verb. For example, nobody is perfect in this world. When two singular subjects are joined by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Example, neither he nor his sister was there. He or his friends are to be blamed. Here, he and his sister both are subject, but the verb agrees with the latter subject, his sister. If two subjects are joined by as well as or with, the verb is according to the first subject. For example, he as well as his brother is naughty. The king with his soldier had arrived. Here, subject consists of two nouns or pronouns. The verb agrees with the first of them. The title of a book, play, a story or a musical composition, even though plural, takes a singular verb. For example, Discovery of India is very good book. When a pair of proper nouns stands for one subject, it takes a singular word. Like Pride and Prejudice is a famous novel. Adidas and Raymond is a famous brand. When the subject is a unit of measurement or a mathematical equation, the verb is used in singular form. For example, 20 years is a long time to wait. 2 kilograms is enough for me. Pronouns like each, either, neither, another, anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, none, nobody, nothing, somebody, someone, something take verbs in singular form. Neither of the books is good. Everything depends on our effort. Some subjects seem to be plural, but they are used as singular. Such subjects take singular verbs. Words like news, physics, civics, measles, rabies, diabetes are plural in form, but they are treated as singular. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular word. For example, the great poet and dramatist of the town is 80 years old. Nouns like glasses, pants, trousers, shoes, people, police, seizures always take a plural verb. Also, descriptive nouns like the rich, the blind, the guilty are always plural. They are always plural and therefore take plural verbs. Example, your shoes are glossy. Your scissors are not sharp enough. But when used with a pair of, they are singular. A pair of branded shoes is quite expensive. Uncountable nouns like advice, news, media, stationery, weather, progress are singular and take a singular word. For example, her advice has not been considered. A collective noun takes a singular word when the collection is thought of as one whole. It takes a plural word when the stress is on the individuals. As for example, the cartel of oil supplying countries has submitted its report. Or the cartel of oil supplying countries are divided over the issue. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about modals. Thank you.